Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into an exciting topic: how to use Airtable to create your own DIY workshop schedule for 2025. So let's jump right in. First up, log into your Airtable account and create a new base by clicking the plus add button. This is where we'll build our schedule, so think of it as the foundation of your workshop planning. Why is this important? Well, a base is the primary building block in Airtable, and it's where all your data will live. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a table within our base. Click on your base and add a new table by clicking the plus New Table option. Tables in Airtable are where you'll organize and categorize your data. For a DIY workshop schedule, you might create tables for workshop dates, workshop topics, and presenters, for instance. The reason we do this is to keep each aspect of our workshop schedule neatly compartmentalized and easy to manage. Next, we'll start adding records to our tables. In Airtable, a record is a row of data in your table. Click on the plus Add Record option to start inputting your workshop details. This helps us because these records will serve as individual entries for each workshop, making it easier to see the details at a glance. Once you've added your records, you can customize your view. Click on Grid View and select Calendar View. This will transform your data into a calendar, showing you when each workshop is scheduled. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is taking the dates from your records and plotting them on a calendar. This is extremely useful as it allows you to visualize your entire workshop schedule in one place. Finally, share your DIY workshop schedule. Click on Share View and send the link to your team or attendees. This allows them to access the calendar and keep track of the workshop schedule. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to use Airtable for your DIY workshop schedule. Remember, the key is in the organization. Use your tables and records wisely, and you'll have a smooth-running workshop schedule in no time. That's it for today. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.